Mamarhymes!
Hi friends, welcome to our happy farm.
Are you ready to play the animal sound game? Let's find out which animal makes which sound.
Moo moo. Which animal makes this sound?
Hey, it's a cow. Moo moo moo.
Yay!
I think the cow wants to be a singer.
Music star.
Cluck, cluck. Cluck. Which animal makes this sound?
Yes, it is a hen. Cluck cluck.
Yay!
Careful, you'll make scrambled eggs. That's one talented hen. Next. Which animal makes this sound?
You are correct. It's a horse. A cute one.
Yay! Go, horsey, go! You're doing it!
Baba. Which animal makes this sound?
Yes, it's a sheep. Ba ba. Yes.
Yay!
Is that a sheep or a kangaroo?
It's a baru.
Woof, woof. Which animal makes this sound?
Yes, it's a dog. Very cute.
Yay! Isn't he the cutest puppy?
He really is. Let's play with him.
Meow.
Meow, meow. Which animal makes this sound?
Yes, it's a cat. Yay!
Yay! You're so fierce.
Tiniest lion in the world, yay!
Oink, oink. Friends, which animal makes this sound?
Wow, correct. It's a pig. Super, super.
Yay!
That's one bubbly pig.
Pop, pop, pop.
Which animal makes this sound?
Yes. Quack, quack. A duck. Quack, quack.
Yay!
The duck is on duty.
Quack to the rescue.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to our channel.